ISBT, the Isaac Symptoms-Based Therapy, is a toolkit which began in 2014 and has been put into practice since July 2017. This toolkit will also explain how to reduce, manage and overcome stress, anxiety, depression and panic attacks. You'll be able to use these skills and teach your clients, session by session, step by step, with what questions to ask and how to set the flow of your therapy. To help therapists and mental health practitioners manage mental health issues using ISBT and CBT. ISBT is a method of therapy focusing on the symptoms of mental health and mental illnesses to reduce the effects of clients' physical and mental health issues. This toolkit is a step-by-step guide for therapists on how to use ISBT, showing the therapist how to conduct a session and which techniques to use and implement to help improve the overall well-being of the clients. Most mental health issues and mental health illnesses have similar symptoms. Using CBT and ISBT will help the therapist teach clients the necessary skills they can use and implement on a daily basis, helping clients reduce and manage their symptoms, helping prevent long-lasting effects on the client's health and life. So let's take a look how ISBT was formed.
Realised there were so many people out there that needed help and couldn't find it. So that's when I decided I wanted to make change and really help people overcome their difficulties. After years of studying and becoming a fellow membership with a number of organisations, including Public Health Organisation and the ACCPH. Our company worked with professionals through the NHS and private sectors since 2014 to design and create something to help people regain their balance in life. And this is where the ISBT therapy was formed. We went on to publish a thesis on ISBT and a toolkit called the Counselor's Guide to Counselling. Using ISBT and CBT to help people overcome their symptoms such as stress, overthinking, anxiety, panic attacks, depression, and many other health issues. This is done by focusing on the symptoms and teaching clients how to manage them better so they can reduce their stress levels. Someone who suffers from relationship issues and someone who suffers from depression due to job loss both have different reasons, but both clients will have similar symptoms. So, we implement ISBT to help overcome those symptoms, such as sleeping issues, eating issues, and negative thinking. Once those symptoms have gone, all that's left is the thought process, and we work with the client using CBT therapy. This will help overcome and manage most mental and physical health conditions. We can use the ISBT app with referrals or our own clients anywhere in the world using a laptop or a tablet. We are able to ask relevant questions and provide in-depth details about issues that clients may face. With a library of 80+ self-help sheets, these sheets can be discussed in the session, emailed and printed for the client to do at home. We can measure health performance and stress levels each week to really understand the client's needs, from everyday issues to long-term trauma. Our mission, our job, is to help people and save lives, to make a positive difference in people's lives, and this is what motivates us every day.
This program will include 11-session course, including the induction for you to view. Not only will you get to see a live preview of how to conduct your session, after each session, I will go into detail and explain why certain questions were asked, how and why we introduce certain skills and teachings, what's beneficial about them, and how they are effective to the client's progression of recovery. The 3 stages of therapy, we will be talking and discussing these two. First stage is mind exploration, the second stage is dealing with the inner self, and the third stage is letting go and guidance. Let's take a look at some of the features and benefits.